He is not subservient to us. Where material mind and intellect and material words, we cannot narrate, we cannot speak about the glories of Supreme and his absolute counterpart. It is beyond our comprehension. When they will manifest their qualities in us, then we can understand. How they will manifest? When we will take absolute shelter to it. ব্রহ্মা কৃষ্ণকে গোয়ালার ছেলে দেখছেন তো, বলছেন তাই। There are many various ways of expiation, atonement, karmakanda, jnanakanda, bhakti. It has been narrated elaborately in 6th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam in relation to the topic of Ajami. Shukadeva Goswami is speaking to Parikshit Maharaj. What he spoke? A sinner cannot purify him by any other form of austerities, karma, jnana, etc. But by only submission. Only submission, if he submit to Supreme Lord, Supreme to Shuddha Bhakta, he can uproot the cause of our ignorance, naysayers, uproot. অজ্ঞানটাকে একেবারে মূল থেকে উৎপাদিত করে। How we can have submission? তৎপুরুষ নিশি। কি করে সাবমিশন হবে? সেই ভগবানের ভক্তের পরিচর্যার দ্বারা। By serving a true Vaishnava, bona fide Vaishnava, then we can have the aptitude to take absolute shelter to Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, devotee. When we shall submit actually, then actual fruit we will get. Whether you have actually submitted or not, by the fruit you can understand. Nothing is said. They are not speaking any lie. They are speaking the truth. We have got our own defect. We have to rectify that. We are not submitting actually. There is some defect in it. Because we have got to believe of Shuddha Bhakta. We are not seeing Shuddha Bhakta. Who will impart that submission to me? There is no Shuddha Bhakta. I am only Shuddha Bhakta. Then you associate yourself. তুমি নিজের সঙ্গে নিজে করো। As long as this vanity is there, so long is most abominable state, most abominable state. বিরূপে পাইব সেবা মুই দুরাচার। শ্রীগুরু বৈষ্ণবের অতি না হইল আমার। We cannot believe the word or teachings, instructions of our Gurudev. We do not give any value to it. We are not saying Guru and Vaishnava. There are no Vaishnava, no Guru. I am the only Guru.